students, here Professor Ashfaq Patan, Department of Mathematics, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management. So in last video lecture, we have discussed the even and odd functions for the interval minus L to plus L and 0 to 2L. Okay, applying the concept of odd and even. So three examples I've solved. Now let us move for the further some more examples on that concept, that is obtain the Fourier series for the function f of x is given in two function. The first function is defined minus 3 by 2 to 0, and the second function is defined 0 to 3 by 2. So what you have to start, if the given example is like this, first you observe the first interval and the last interval. Okay, the first interval and last interval is given, it is not given in pi, it is given in arbitrary. So therefore you have to compare the given interval with this one. So therefore you start like this, that is f of x is defined, f of x is defined in the interval, in the interval, that is first one is minus 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2. It is exactly not 0 by 0 to 2l, it is not given like this, it is given minus l to plus l. So therefore by comparing this with minus l to plus l, so minus l to plus l, that is minus 3 by 2 to plus 3 by 2. So that implies you can write here l is equal to 3 by 2. So wherever l is there, you have to use 3 by 2. Okay, so you have to find the Fourier series for the given function. So as I told you, how to check this odd and even if the given function is 2. So the first function you define like this, that is phi of x is equal to 1 plus 4x divided by 3, and psi of x you define, that is 1 minus 4x divided by 3. As I told you, that is if the given interval is minus L to plus L, put x is equal to minus x, any one of these two. So let me take this one. So put here x, put x as minus x. So 1 plus 4 minus x divided by 3. So I can write 1 plus into minus minus 4x divided by 3. Now see here, 1 minus 4x divided by 3, it is nothing but psi of x. So therefore you got psi of x. So as I given in the note, that is if phi of minus x is equal to psi of x, which is positive psi of x, so therefore the function becomes, the function f of x is even. If the function is even, bn is equal to what? 0. So you need to find a naught. So how to calculate a naught? The a naught is given as like this, a naught is equal to 2 divided by l integration 0 to l f of x into dx. Okay, now usually, particularly in this example, L value is 3 by 2. I used to take L by L value as at the end. So I used to take L as L itself only here. So therefore 2 divided by L, L only. So 0 to L as it is. And f of x is defined as which function you are going to take, f of x. Here the given interval is 0 to L. So 0 to L is 3 by 2. So therefore the function you have to take this one as 1 minus 4x divided by 3. So with respect to dx. So 2 divided by L as it is. So you integrate, integration of 1 with respect to x is x minus 4 divided by 3 is constant. Integration of x is x square divided by 2. Applying limit 0 to L. So let me go here. 2 divided by L as it is, 2 divided by L as it is, bracket, apply upper limit. So L minus 4L square divided by 6. Okay, this is the upper limit. So therefore further you can write 2 divided by L, bracket, take a LCM, 6L minus 4L square divided by 6 is the LCM. So you can take L common here. So if I take L common, or you can write here 2L common. So 2L into 2 is nothing but 4L divided by L. Okay, bracket, if I take 2 common, it becomes 3 minus 2 commons, it becomes L divided by 6 is there. So L can cancels, 2 2s are 2 3s are. So therefore it becomes 2 by 3, 2 by 2 divided by 3 bracket 3 minus 2l, 2l is remain. Now further substitute the value of l here. So if you substitute the value of l, so it become like this, that is 2 divided by 3, 2 divided by 3 into bracket 3 minus 2 into l is nothing but 3 by 2, 3 divided by 2. So 2 get cancelled, 3 minus 3 it becomes 0, so therefore 0, so a naught is equal to 0. Now we have to calculate an, so an is equal to 2 divided by l integration 0 to l f of x into cos n pi x divided by l with respect to dx is there, with respect to dx. Now further substitute the value of f of x, so 2 divided by l itself only. At the end I used to substitute l value 0 to l f of x. F of x, you again you have to take the same function, that is 1 1 minus 4x divided by 3 into cos n pi x divided by l into dx. Now 2 divided by l as it is, apply Bernoulli first function as it is. Integration of cos is sin n pi x divided by l divided by n pi divided by l. This is total one term minus differentiation of 1 is 0, minus 4 by 3 is constant, x differentiation is, so therefore minus 4 divided by 3. Again integration of sin is minus cos n pi x divided by l divided by n square pi square divided by l square. Applying limit 0 to l is there. So as if you substitute this one l here, so totally it becomes 0. Okay, now leave the first term, only 2 divided by l remains. You see a bracket, so minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, so finally you got minus 4 by 3 outside, 4 divided into 4 divided by 3 outside, and again constant also outside, or you can write like this, cos n pi x divided by l divided by n square pi square divided by l square. This is remaining 0 to l. Again you can take this constant outside, minus 4 2s are 8 divided by 3l. So if I take common n square pi square, denominator of denominator is numerators, again it goes in the numerator, l square bracket cos n pi x divided by l remains, applying limit 0 to l. So 1l get cancelled, so minus 8 divided by 3 n square pi square into l. Okay, now apply here, so it become cos n pi. If you apply upper limit, l get cancelled, so cos n pi minus cos 0, cos 0. Now further you can write like this, so therefore minus 8 into l value is 3 by 2 divided by 3 n square pi square bracket minus 1 raised to n minus 1. Okay, 2 ones are 2 fours are. Okay, so that cancels, 3 get cancelled, so answer is minus 4 divided by n square pi square into bracket minus 1 raised to n minus 1. So this is the value of an. After getting this an, put this a naught and an in the required Fourier series. The required Fourier series is like this: f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity en cos n pi x divided by l into plus summation n from 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x divided by l. So this is a required series. So a naught we got it as a 0, so leave this one 0. Then we got an, so summation n from 1 to infinity minus a 4 divided by n square pi square, then cos, sorry, minus 1 raised to n minus 1 cos n pi x divided by l. L is 3 by 2. So this is required Fourier series f of x. Okay. So this is one example I have solved here. Now let us move for the next example. The example I have written here: find the Fourier series of the function f of x is equal to 2 minus x in the interval 0 to 4, x minus 6 in the interval 4 to 8. So therefore, how to start this example? So let me go like this. That is, as I told you, if the example is given, first you observe the limits 0 to 8 is there. So comparing the given interval 0 to 8, 0 to 8, that implies to 0 to 2l. So you compare 0 0, 8 is equal to 2l. So therefore you can apply here 8 is equal to equate 8, 2l is equal to 8. So that implies l is equal to 4. So this is your l value. So therefore after getting this l value, so now you have to check odd and even function. For this one, you treat this one as phi of x, as I solved in the previous example. Phi of x is equal to 2 minus x, psi of x is equal to x minus 6. Okay, so as you see that the example is given 0 to 2l. If it is 0 to 2l, put x is equal to 2l minus x is there. Substitute 2l minus x in above any one of these two. So phi of x is nothing but 2l minus x is equal to 2 as it is, minus x is nothing but 2l minus x. Now simplify, 2 multiply minus 2l plus x is there. So further 2 as it is, minus 2, l is nothing but what? See here, l is nothing but 4 plus x. So therefore 2 minus 8 plus x. So therefore you can write this one as, that is 2 minus 8 is minus 6 plus x. So therefore you can write x minus 6. What is x minus 6? X minus 6 is nothing but psi of x. So finally you got phi of 2l minus x is psi of x. Therefore the function is even. If the function is even, bn is equal to 0. So you need to calculate a naught and an. Sorry, a naught and an. For this one, let us move further. A naught is equal to, so a naught is equal to 2 divided by l integration 0 to l f of x into dx. So therefore 2 divided by l is nothing but 4, 0 to l is nothing but 4, f of x. You observe 0 to 4 is there, which is the example. So 0 to 4 is defined, see here in this example, 0 to 4 is defined 2 minus x. So therefore your required function is 2 minus x is there. So therefore use here 2 minus x. So 2 minus x with respect to dx. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So therefore you got 1 by 2 integration 0 to 4 2 minus x into dx is there. So therefore 1 by 2 as it is, integration of 2 is 2x minus integration of x is x square divided by 2, applying 0 to 4. So therefore 1 by 2 as it is, bracket, apply upper limit 8 minus apply 16 divided by 2, upper limit minus lower limit is 0, limit 2 ones are 2 eights are. So therefore 8 minus 8 is, finally you got a naught is equal to 0. So a naught is equal to, you got as a 0. Now let us move for calculation of an. So an is equal to 2 divided by l integration 0 to l f of x into cos n pi x divided by l with respect to dx. So 2 divided by l is 4, integration 0 to 4, function is same, 2 minus x only. So 2 minus x bracket cos is cos n pi x divided by l is 4 with respect to dx is there. Now further 2 ones are 2 twos are, so therefore 1 divided by 2. So apply Bernoulli's rule. First function as it is, integration of cos is sin n pi x divided by l divided by n pi divided by l, okay, bracket, then minus differentiation of this one is minus 1 minus 1. Again integration of sign is minus cos n pi x divided by 4 divided by n square pi square divided by 16 I can write. Then applying limit 0 to 4e. So therefore 1 by 2 bracket. Okay, so this term becomes 0 when you apply upper limit. 4 get cancelled, sin n pi is 0. So it becomes 0. So therefore minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So therefore I will write like this, 1 by 2 as it is, 1 by 2. This minus sign outside. Constant term is n square pi square. N square pi square divided by 16. That 16 I used to take here 16. So bracket remaining cos n pi x divided by 4. Applying limit 0 to 4. So 2 ones are 2 eights are. So minus 8 divided by n square pi square. So the remaining term is minus 8 divided by n square pi square. N square pi square bracket apply upper limit is 4. If you apply up to 4, so it will become cos n pi minus cos 0. So therefore minus 8 divided by n square pi square, so minus 1 raised to n minus 1. So this is what an, this is what an is there. So an is got as minus 8 divided by n square pi square minus 1 raised to n minus 1. So this is what an. Now the required for a series is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x divided by l plus summation n from 1 to infinity vn sin n pi x divided by l. Okay, as we stated that a naught got as a 0, an is like this, that is summation n from 1 to infinity minus 8 divided by n square pi square minus 1 raised to n minus 1 cos n pi x divided by l is 4. This term is stated as a 0, okay, initially, because the function becomes even. So therefore these are the 5 examples I have solved by taking other types of intervals also, and the double function also. So after this we have the half range Fourier series. If you know this all, we can solve the half range Fourier series. In half range, again we are having the two intervals. One is that 0 to L and 0 to pi. Understood? So we will discuss, and we will have some formulas there. I will tell the chart of this half range Fourier series. Definitely one example will be there uh, on half range Fourier series. We'll discuss in a next class. Okay, so you just copy down these all notes, watch videos. Okay, if you have any queries, you straight away ask me or call me or text me or WhatsApp me. I will reply you immediately. Better you observe, you just watch these videos are very important. If you go through the videos, you get to know what is the there in the Fourier series. Okay, so better you watch, and afterwards after getting these PDF notes, you just copy down these notes in separate fair book, mathematics fair book. Okay, after completion of the lockdown, I'm going to check your that notes. Okay, so we'll continue in the next class. Thank you.